what supplements should you take? Today I'll be showing you all the supplements I take in a day, what they do and why I take them, so you can learn more about the supplements you should take. The first supplement I want to talk about is a vitamin B complex. This is useful for energy production and brain function. I eat quite a bit of meat, eggs, nuts and bananas, so I'm not deficient in most B vitamins, but I don't eat many leafy greens and vegetables, so I'm probably low on B9, which is why I take it. I also take a vitamin D3 and K2 pill. The vitamin D is probably needed less at the moment as it's summer here, but getting colder now, and most people are deficient in it as it's hard to get from food. They also both help with bone density, which is useful for anyone, and is something I keep in mind as I don't drink regular milk, so maybe low on calcium. I previously had a version of this with omega-3s too, but my daily fish and my bulk shake basically covers that. I take some lion's mane for when I'm in study periods or cycling onto it every once in a while. It stimulates nerve growth factor, which is great for brain health. It's less proven and more expensive than some of my other supplements, so I don't always take it, but I do believe in its benefits for memory and focus. I also take some salt on days I exercise heavily to not dehydrate when I sweat, but for most people it's unnecessary as they eat plenty in their diet. I normally drink it with fortified almond milk and honey to get some easy calories in. I also take Creatine Monohydrate every day, about 5 grams. It's one of my most important supplements. It's extremely science-packed and very effective for muscle growth, recovery, and to cope with sleep deprivation, which I occasionally have. I also have some magnesium, which is great for muscles, bones, and sleep, and most people are not eating enough. I also have my bulk shake every day, which is not just for gaining weight, but a functional multivitamin, which I prefer to the standard bulking shakes consisting of milk and peanut butter. The ingredients are shown here on screen and in the description. I don't know if you could call it a supplement, but I put some turmeric and black pepper on my steaks, or in my bulk shakes if I'm not eating steak. Turmeric is anti-free radicals and good for joints, and black pepper hugely increases its effectiveness. My final supplement is ashwagandha, which I added recently and has been huge for managing my stress by lowering my cortisol, which also helps with hormone production. Ashwagandha also helps with muscle growth, sleep, and your brain. It's one of the most noticeable additions I've made, so I recommend it. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing. I tried a longer video this time with more yap. The song in the background was Pay Cut from my upcoming album FC Ultimate. The pre-save link is in the description. Check it out. And as always, thanks for watching.